Hey, Stache. Stache. What you doing, buddy? Hey, buddy. Yeah, I see you. You're getting curious, aren't you? You want to see honey. Huh? Yeah, you're not a Jack's cat that meows a lot. But you're a key cat, aren't you? You're a great big old buddy boy. Mm-hmm. And you know I love you. Yeah. Hey, dude. You wanna come back and look? What else you see? Hmm? Think you're gonna like traveling? I don't think I'm gonna like trying to put a daggum harness on all 15 pounds of you. Yeah. Somebody in the neighborhood is helping to feed my cat. I know they are. But that Stache kitty cat, Stache, short for mustache. Isn't that right, buddy? Mm-hmm. You'll be inspecting the work that I'm trying to do. That's all gonna be picked out. That's back paneling just falling apart. Nice and solid. The paneling protected the wood. Oh God, because it's been leaking down this way. So this wall, except for this paneling, and because I had to put this back, I'll put the picture in. That was completely rusted away. It just broke out. That one unscrewed just fine. I do not understand why those screws are rusty. I think it might just be the moisture from back here on the inside, because they're what hold up these walls. And sorry for the sniffling, but I had double doses of lidocaine up the nose yesterday, and it's still feeling the effects, so I am sniffling. But at least I figured it out. The water is coming up over and blowing down this when across this wood. So needless, I guess I can say I'm lucky that once I get the paneling off the others on the outside off, which I have to do to repair that side where the tail light leaked like crazy. They didn't use Dicor or anything. They used plumber's putty. You can tell. Dicor will come off in strips. Plumber's putty comes off in clumps. So anyway, and I've already decided on the rebuild because I know I'm never going to match this. This is going to get complete rebuild back here because we have a 6-inch overhang, and because of the spare tire rack, we'll do this different. Leave the shelf, put it here. Bookcase, bookcase. That's coming out. Bookcase to take up this wasted space. It'd be that deep. Actually, it'd be up about this high because of the mattress. No more reaching up and over the bed to turn off an alarm clock. This, I need to put an outlet on the wall over there for an alarm clock and for a phone charger. Excuse me again. Not going to be a problem. Back corner come out easy, even though we got this up here. I won't have to remove this to do that. I don't feel like removing this whole shelf because it's one piece. Well, guess what? No way you can bang your head in here. Shelf will extend bookcase up to this height. That can then be just, when I cut in here, I would be able to just stick a wire down that way, unless there's a stud right there. So yeah, that'll work. I can do this. And you know, all that's going to look good in 100-year-old barn wood. Oh, and you can also see the original color. But when we say goodbye to all this later on, I guess we're just going to have to break down and get an LED bar across the back. Because we have this one. Yeah. I love it when plans come together. And this is the contraption I used to get down and dig into the floorboard. And they're good. The paneling went, but the floorboard, I dug it in the corner, halfway down, and right there, right there, right over there, and in the corner, over there, and it was just like solid wood. I'm lucky on that, but we will finally confirm that when we pull that paneling out on the back. So I need to get a tarp and some real duct tape. So we can't get the duct tape at Walmart. That stuff made in overseas. Yeah. I think that's stuff they use in the movies. Because it won't pull hair out of a human body. But I'm happy. This side I'm totally hip with. Happy. I can do another happy dance. Boy, 2 happy dances in 2 days. Woohoo! Okay, tomorrow we will pull the lens off the outside. That's going to be the driver's side rear blinker assembly. And look in it. And see just how bad it's going to be. That poor little Patton's working its butt off. Is down to 46 degrees outside. That says 60 degrees. It did read 50 something, or 50, because that's as far down as it would go. And, where'd it go? Ah, there it is, up there. Well, that one says 60. And I don't know why the flashlight's on. But anyway, that side makes me happy. I thought it was going to be the scary side. It's not. Let's see. 1, 2 bookshelves there, 2 bookshelves there, and we'll make it a corner shelf that comes up, stair steps up. Cut that out. Make an insert that go across the back, and they'll be supported in back and with the top. Yep. It'll look good. Just adds a little more storage. And makes it nice and cozy. Not going to bust my head on it. Won't come past the wall here. Won't be anything up here. I might put some clothing hooks when we hang something off of that. That I've already busted my butt on a couple of times. Boop. Okay. being changed, elbow and elbow, so all this goes along behind. We're going to splice, bring it back so it lengthens, be an elbow, two elbows, and then it'll go back that way. I can't wait to pull this up to see how worn this plex pipe is from that point and that point. It's gotta be worn. But not bad for a 30-some-odd-year-old RV. And even though there's water stain, I had already checked. Solid. 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 So we're good. And I got a little more back of me. Seen my last little trip around the neighborhood, vibrated a bunch of poo loose. And styrofoam. But, 25 gallons. Thanks to Eric Fanatic Nomadic. There's a little quickie on the how to find tank size or how many gallons. That was easy enough. Anyway, I will catch you all later. Blue skies, safe journeys, everybody.